So now guys, let's figure out how to edit my listings super easy and super fast. So we are into the fast track of editing our listings, and the way we do that, it's super easy. So if you have a look into my screen guys, we will see that we already have our listings, and we could go through the as well as of all or accepted or draft or sold out ones that we needed to edit. And straightly from here on, we could see the layouts that we needed to edit, and we see there is 4 buttons right into each listing. The arrow up stands for to throw to the project of the layout, but we need this one as a pen on it, where this is the fast edit layout of it, where here we could edit the all information in regards to the layout. So this is the fast track, we call it. And the next one is the full edit section, where you need to go all the way from A to Z. And this is where you could edit all the statuses, pricings, description, pictures, and you edit the layouts and you save it over here. And of course, where you could also click into the integrations, but this one is folder. So that's it. As well as the last section that we show up is the button of trash bar, which if you press that, it changes the status. For example, let's say that we needed to delete it from accepted. So we could just delete it or just change the status. It's super easy guys, super comfortable. So folder we will discuss in regards to our integrations. See you soon. Bye.